I'm sure you got a lot of hits off of that.
Oh my goodness. Come on, you get the stick.
You're stage fright.
Hi, I'm Mr. Nastin, and I love you guys. This is...
Hey, listen, Gummy Boy, you need to do your homework.
Yes.
It's sorry to be a...
It's 7:15. You need to do your homework.
Really at my tongue. At the top.
Ew! It's been in your nose, on your chin, now your tongue? It's disgusting. It's despicable.
Like this?
Yeah, that's despicable!
That's gonna end up in the garbage, you know that.
You wanna
No,
see
no,
it, Jen?
no. I do not want to see it. Not even up close.
Are you still doing the video?
Yes. Let's just...
Anyone, watch. I'm going to hit Jane with this. Bite.
Can I have that snake? I meant like bite in the middle or something.
Can you chew your mouth shut? Jesus Christ, I'm gonna poop out, man. That's disgusting.
Caden, you're still rolling.
Oh,
He's doing homework now.
Don't.
I'm turning it off.
turn it off!
Hey, you need to calm down. That's the only
And
part you're gonna get
we're
off of that. You don't need any more
clear.
fuel.